Hi ladies, I will never diet again. My name is Lori and welcome to my home. I'm a conservative Christian, a wife, mother, grandmother, pastor's wife, and my family and I have lived in Mexico since 2004. I'm so glad you've come to join me today. Welcome to my kitchen. Like and subscribe, please. I had a slice of that. Well, I had a smaller one and I went back for another small. I had probably that big. It's a tiny cake, but still. Just saying. There's better things in my refrigerator. I've got my broccoli. I've got my homemade ketchups. I've got the stuff ready to make salsa today. I'm gonna do it. I've got zucchini and bell pepper. I have the epazote in case I want to make beans. This side I've got not much. Probably. This should be my high-calorie treat. The mangoes. Making coffee. I'm doing it with the three soaked cashews and a tablespoon of maple syrup. There's no problem with that. I just broke my little selfie stick. Well, good morning. This morning I am very tired because what did I do? I went to bed last night at a decent hour, and then I started, right before I went to bed, I started thinking about a situation that's pretty sad and got a little emotional about it. And then I couldn't go to sleep until about 2 o'clock in the morning because I was kind of still concerned about a situation I can't do anything about. This morning I have to be someplace to have my driver's license renewed. So it's going to be in Spanish. I hope I answer the questions correctly. I've been here, nearly 20 years. Not quite, but nearly 20 years. And they've always given me a driver's license in the past. So I'm not really sure why they wouldn't give me one. I don't think I've had any tickets recently. Anyway, I'm going to have my coffee. I'm trying to hold myself accountable because I'm just not really thrilled with my weigh-in this morning. Lots of reasons why it could be up, and I've been letting things like movie popcorn. I had like a tablespoon of peanut butter with apple slices the other night. My family brought home that cake I just told you about. I can't do this. I can't do a bunch of cheats. I just got the weight off. So let's see if I can rein myself back in. Yeah, rein myself back in and not go back up again, right? Right. So that's the reason for this video. I'm saying I'll do once a month video for accountability, but I'm just like throwing this in because just to rein myself back in. All right, I gotta think through what I'm doing to myself. Over the last week, I went to the movies with my family. I know these are treats and it's not supposed to be that big of a deal, but it shows up on the scale eventually. I went to the movie theater with my family and I ate the movie popcorn, and I figured it was going to show up one day. Probably not that big of a deal, right? You know, one thing. Then another day goes by and I'm looking, I needed to go shopping. And so I'm like looking around for stuff in the house to eat because I need to go to the store. And I decided to have an apple and have like a tablespoon of peanut butter. I haven't had peanut butter in like a long time. Why now? Why now, Lori? Why didn't I just take some of that peanut butter cocoa powder or something, and which has a whole lot less fat in it? That would have been smarter, and add some water to it and dip it in that. That would have probably been fine, but no, I did the tablespoon of peanut butter. Now, my weight wasn't so bad yesterday, and it might not be that bad tomorrow, but last night I just did a dumb thing. I thought about something sad right before I went to bed. We shouldn't do that to ourselves. I mean, if it's like a fleeting moment, just let it be fleeting. Let it go. Let it go. Wait until the morning to think about it. But no, I decided to think about it like 11:30 last night. And then I'm sad until 2 o'clock in the morning. It's a situation I can do nothing about. So I highly recommend to myself not to do that again. The other is I didn't drink my herbal tea yesterday, and I kind of wondered if it was gonna make a big difference this morning on the scale. I don't feel like going back and weighing myself after I've walked or after I've had the tea. So I'm just saying, my weight is up this morning. How much is it up? It's up from my lowest weight right after I was sick, about 5 pounds up. So I'm just making this, just vlogging this. I'm keeping myself accountable, even to myself, to rein it back in, Lori, rein it back in, keep walking. I did get in 2 walks yesterday. So you know how it takes the body a little bit of time to catch up. So I've had some indiscretions or things that I shouldn't have done, and I feel like it's catching up to me. And now I need to start doing what I need to be doing and remove the things that are going to be causing me to gain weight, like eating after 6. Yeah, I've been doing some of that lately, and maybe not drinking as much water as I need to drink, which it would be great to be drinking like 2 quarts of water a day, and my herbal tea that keeps everything filtering out, and just keep continuing to remove what causes the problem. The fat stuff, and mostly that's the problem. So, but being under stress, not being able to sleep properly also helps the body to retain weight. So if you want to gain weight, those are some good tips for gaining weight. All right. I hope you're doing well. Let me know how you're doing in the comments below. It's going to be better. I'm sleepy today, but it's going to be a better day tomorrow than today. Guaranteed. God bless.